I leave for Italy in less than 48 hours, and I have yet to pack. I barely have my outfits planned, and I'm gonna be there for a week. So I need to get packing. We don't have time for this. I need to get packing. So let's go through this. I wanna show you my outfits, and then we gotta pack. We gotta go. Okay, so this is mostly a work trip, so I need to have some outfits that are going to be good for work and also good for some of the activities we're doing. We're basically going to be working like 2.5 days and then like 1.5 days of like fun stuff, team bonding, things like that. So when I land, there's going to be like welcome drinks or something in the hotel lobby because there's a bar there. So I'm just going to be packing my jeans from Garage. I will also just have these ready for anything because it's just good to pack a pair of jeans. And then I have one of my favorite tank tops that I've thrifted. Tank tops. I have one of my favorite long sleeve shirts that I thrifted. I love the way it looks on me, and it'll be good for the evening because it's supposed to be like 65, 70 the whole time we're there, and even chillier at night. And it'll be late when we start having these drinks just because, you know, it's gonna be a long flight. So this is going to be one of my first outfits that we're gonna pack. All right, then after that, the next day we're going to have our first day of like workshops, meetings, things like that, announcements. So I'm going a little bit business casual. I have these trousers that I got from Abercrombie & Fitch. They're so cute on. I love the color. Again, it'll be a little bit chilly, so we will be packing these. I just have this white t-shirt that I thrifted. It's thick, it's a good quality, and it's a perfect shirt sort of for like the business casual look. I don't want to look too fancy, but again, I want to be looking good, covered up. And then I have this cardigan that I also thrifted that I haven't gotten to wear yet, but I love the colors, add some personality back, and also if it's chilly outside or inside the like conference room, this will be good for that. But I'm going to be adding this cardigan on top. So it's sort of gonna look like this. These are gonna be the color scheme for the day. And yes, it'll be perfect for the weather. And it might rain, so I might need a rain jacket. But for my shoes for this outfit, I am gonna pack my Rag & Bone loafers. I love these, and I think they're perfect for the outfit and sort of the vibe of the trip. I also brought them the last time I was in Italy and really enjoyed wearing them. So these are going to be coming with me. They've really traveled around the world with me, so excited to bring those along, and I'll probably be wearing those with a couple of outfits. And then on the days that I'm going to be in the conference room with like needing my laptop and notebooks and things like that, I'm going to be wearing this bag. It's so cute. I did get it from Rome when I visited in November, and it's the perfect size for a laptop, notebook, my water bottle, anything I could need for the day. So I thought it would be really cute as like a work bag. So this is gonna be like the main bag I'm gonna be wearing for those days, probably with all of the outfits that I'm gonna be wearing for like work stuff. All right, so on Wednesday, I need another sort of business casual outfit. I will also be presenting this day, which I'm very nervous about. So I wanna make sure I look good and I'm comfortable. So I went with this skirt here. So I went with this black skirt. It is a vintage Armani. I did thrift it, and I think it is so cute. And it's like a good length. It goes past my knees, so I can cross my legs. It'll be perfectly fine. Up top, I just have this mock turtleneck top that I like, just in case I get warm. But I am gonna bring a jacket on this day as well. Probably my leopard print jacket that I bring everywhere. But this is going to be the look for that day that I present. I feel confident. I feel good, and I think this is a good outfit. I'm very excited to wear this. And on the bottom, I'll probably wear my loafers again. But if those are feeling uncomfortable, then I do have these, which will be cute and will like make the outfit a little more casual, just in case it's feeling a little too business. And then these are also comfortable to walk in. So that is the next outfit. I'm very, very excited. This is actually one of my favorites that I put together. This is one of my favorites that I've put together. I've been wanting to wear this skirt, so I'm very, very happy I could find a way to do it in such a fun way on a business trip. And then later that night, we have dinner on like a sky lounge. sort of situation. So I wanted something that'd be a little bit warmer, but gives a little bit more personality, says a little bit more about me. So I have this thrifted Rebecca Minkoff skirt that I love so much. I love the colors, I think it's so fun. And then I just have this long sleeved white square neck top. I forgot where I got it from. I think probably like H&M or something like that. But I combined those, and I think it would be cute with, I think I could just wear these with my loafers as well, and I think it would be super cute. But yes, this is also one of my favorite outfits. I love the skirt. It definitely is my personality. It's like the brightest outfit that I'm going to be wearing on this trip, so I'm very excited I get to show that. And also it is on a sky lounge, which I think if I looked it up, and it's like on a rooftop, so the long sleeves will be good, and I can always wear a jacket if I get extra cold, but I don't really love wearing jackets, so the long sleeves will cover that and keep me warm. And also the skirt is long as well, so I'll be covered up and I'll feel good and be confident and fun while I'm getting to know my coworkers. So yeah, this is the next outfit that I'm going to be packing. I'm very, very excited to wear this one. Maybe I'll get some cute pictures on the Sky Lounge rooftop. That would be a lot of fun, and I think this will look really good in like the nighttimey lights. I think it'll look good. All right, and then Thursday is the fun day. We have an outing, and it's going to be a fun little team outing, so I'm super excited about that. We are going to be touring one of the cities close by, which I'm very, very excited about. We are going to be visiting Pisa, so I've never been, I'm so excited. So I'm in my little tourist vibe for that. I have my little linen pants here from Sincerely Jules. I have my little sweater vest, mint sweater vest from 00. I wear it all the time. I thrifted this sweater vest, and I bought these pants, I think years ago. I don't wear them often, but I should wear them more, so we'll see. And then here, I saw on Pinterest this little inspo, and I really liked it. I wanted to add a little scarf that I got the last time I was in Italy. And then I saw this on Pinterest, and I thought it was so cute, but I saw that a lot of people wear scarves, especially this time of year in Italy. So I thought it would be cute to tie this little satin scarf that I got from Sorrento when I visited last time and add it to here. I figured you could style this a couple ways. I could do it this way, or I also saw that some people sort of do it like a sarong, like over a little bit over the pants. So like I've seen a lot of people also on Pinterest like did like a little like a sarong here to add sort of like a little bit more color onto like a linen pant like this. So I don't know which style I'm gonna go with yet, but I thought it was super cute and like perfect and touristy. So I'm very excited to wear this. And on my shoes, I probably would just wear some sneakers that I'm gonna wear like in the airport and during like a lot of more of the active days, just because we will be walking around a lot. So I want to make sure that I have like good footwear on my feet. But this is going to be the main outfit for that day, and I'll probably wear some like cute little sunglasses. I was thinking even if I got like tired of this, or if I wanted to switch up the style, I could also put it over my head. I think that would be cute as well. So yes, these are the ones I'm showing you on are my top 3 favorite outfits, and I really love this one. I still don't know how I'm gonna style it, but I'm very excited to wear this as well. I'm glad I get to wear this satin scarf again and make it work, especially again in Italy, so that's so cool. All right, and then after that day trip, we're gonna all have dinner again together, and I figured I just want something comfy, so I grabbed this dress. This dress is from Universal Thread, but I did thrift it. I love thrifting, as you can see, but I love the color. It's bright and fun. It's also long, so it covers up mostly everything, so I won't be too cold, and I can wear my cardigan again over it or my jacket, and so that I won't be too chilly, because again, it should be chilly in the evenings. But I love the dress. I love it, the way it looks on me, and I think it's the perfect little dinner outfit, especially because it'll be comfortable. And I don't love wearing pants for that long, so And then of course I am going to be bringing some PJs. I love a PJ set, so we will be bringing that. And then I do have 2 sets of workout clothes. I don't know how much working out I'll be able to get in, but I'm going to have this prepared just in case I have time in the morning. If the hotel has a gym, I can work out a little bit. I want to try to stay on my routine that I've been in, so I have that as well that I'll be packing. And then finally, I have 1 extra outfit just in case. I decided to pack my other pair of jeans that I like to wear, which are these Wild Fable flower jeans. I wear these jeans all the time. I love them. I love the way they look and they fit. They're comfortable, so they're good and safe to travel with, just in case, and it can match with a few of the shirts I'm already bringing. And then I do just have this Hollister plain little V-neck cream tan colored shirt. It is sort of like ribbed. It has a texture to it. It is a neutral color. It'll look good with those jeans. It'll look good with any of the bottoms that I'm bringing. So this is also just in case, and just in case I need another outfit for whatever reason, or any of those don't work for whatever reason, or I want to be comfortable, I just have this as an extra outfit just in case, and an extra shirt and extra pants. You just never know. So I'm also going to bring that. And then of course all of the regular stuff, socks, bra, underwear, and then you saw all the shoes I'm gonna bring. As far as accessories, I'm gonna bring all my normal jewelry, my engagement ring, my ring, anything I normally wear. But I will also be bringing this little bow. I love the little lace on it, and some of my other bows they're like not standing up to the test of time. Like the quality is not great. That's okay. So I am just gonna bring this one. It is a cream color, so it'll match with pretty much anything I'm bringing if I want to put my hair in a bow one day, just to be, you know, cute. Have a little bow thing going on here. But yeah, so that's really the only big accessory I'm gonna bring, and probably also some sunglasses. Probably these. I bring these everywhere. They're so cute. I think they're gonna look really cute in pictures, and they're good for the sun. So these are gonna be the 2 big accessories that I'm gonna be bringing. And then all my normal jewelry and makeup and everything like that as well. I did have to do last minute laundry because I was out of socks, but that is taken care of. We have our socks folded and ready to go. So that is done. I did have sort of a dilemma on what shoes to bring. I kind of wanted to bring some boots, but they don't travel well. Like, they take up a lot of room in my suitcase, and I also don't know when I will be wearing them. I do want to make sure that I'm bringing comfortable shoes, so I don't think they'll be making it this trip, which sucks because I love wearing boots, but I think this trip is just going to be sneakers and some more comfortable shoes, just because it is a work trip and I'll be walking around a lot, so we're just keeping it safe here. And then as far as like my toiletries and stuff, I have my go-tos that I absolutely love, so we will pack those. But yeah, I think we're just gonna get to packing all my clothes in the suitcase, see how much room I have left, and go from there with if we need to add anything. I do feel like I'm sort of already overpacking. I mean, I have 1 extra outfit, workout stuff, like things that I don't need already in there, so we may be overpacking. But let's see how full the suitcase is, and then we'll reevaluate from there. My throat is dry. Woo! We also just found these Sprite Zero Sugar Chill Mango Citrus flavored drinks. Very good. It's currently fueling this packing because it is pretty late. I actually need to get to bed, so we need to get going. I got distracted by my drink, but I wanted to tell you because these are so good. We've been loving these, like, obsessed. Oh, I also might bring my Pandora bracelet because I've recently been wearing it a lot and I want to get more charms, and I think they have a Pandora store around where I'm going, so I think it'd be really cute to get something, maybe like a lemon or something, or, you know, something that sort of represents my trip. So I think I'm gonna pack this as well. We did it! We are all packed for Italy, and I am ready to get going. I'll see you guys there. I'm actually surprised it all fit, but she closed up. Now we just hope and pray it's under 50 pounds because I don't want to pay extra. But I think I'm ready for Italy. Maybe overpacked, but I'm ready for it.